How to fix Instagram Reels lagging and freezing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Instagram's Reels lagging and freezing. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. To fix lagging or freezing of Instagram Reels, you will need to first check your internet connection. That's the very basic step that basically every troubleshoot needs. That is checking your internet connection and making sure that you're connected to a good and stable Wi-Fi. You can also switch between your mobile data and Wi-Fi. Whichever works the best, you can use that. After that, if that does not fix it, remove or restart the app. So if you've opened up your app, swipe up from the bottom, swipe it up and remove it from the background. This will stop your app from working. Basically, it will force stop it. You can also force stop it from your app, settings. And after you here, what you'll then need to do is disable data saver mode. So for that, locate your Instagram app, open it up. Then after you're here, go to your profile on the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines on the top right. And simply swipe down. And there you should find media section. Under there you'll find data uses and media quality. Tap on it. And from here, make sure that the data saver is turned off. After you've turned that off, videos won't be lagging or it won't be using less data. And also make sure that your phone is not in power saving mode. After you've done all that, your problem will get fixed. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.